So next we will cover insurance products and insurance planning. Insurance planning is an integral part of financial planning. So life insurance and health insurance we will discuss later on. Third is the critical illness. Only a few people are aware, and even a fewer people buy critical illness. Critical illness is an insurance product where you buy an insurance product which pays you in case you are diagnosed with any serious illness which impairs your earning ability. So this may be like cancer, heart attack, stroke, etc. तो ऐसी स्थिति में क्या होता है, आप जिंदा है तो आपको लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी विल नॉट पे यू एनीथिंग, एंड यू आर सिंस यू आर नॉट हॉस्पिटलाइज ऑल द टाइम, health insurance policy will also not pay, but at the same time you have to incur the expenses for running the house, and your medical expenses also go up. So the critical illness policy pays you the amount of sum assured, but there is a survival period. So when once you are diagnosed with a specific critical illness, there are n number of critical illnesses also, and each policy has a different coverage. So if you survive the survival period, which is generally 30 days, then only the sum payable under the critical illness is paid. Otherwise, you get the money from life insurance. So critical illness policy works as a supplement to your life insurance policy. Then personal accident insurance. This is most important product for the people who are at the beginning of the career, because at the beginning of the career you do not have enough resources to spend for buying the product, as well as in the initial stage the person dying with an accident has all more probability than due to any disease. और एक बात और है कि पर्सनल एक्सीडेंट इंश्योरेंस है वो बहुत सस्ता आता है, 150 रुपए में आपको 1 लाख रुपए तक का पर्सनल एक्सीडेंट इंश्योरेंस हो जाता है. सो इन केस ऑफ डेथ 100% इज पेड. In case you lose some of your important limbs, then if you lose one hand, then 50% is paid. If you lose both of your hands, 100% is paid under the personal accident insurance. uh, in addition to all these insurance, it is important for you to buy a insurance for your home and all valuables which are lying in your house. For home, suppose you have bought a house for 1 crore, the home insurance does not cover that value. It only covers the cost of reconstruction of the house. So please be careful when you buy the home insurance to arrive at the which amount you should buy. The insurance, how much insurance you need to buy will depend on various factors. So in case of life insurance and critical illness, life insurance and critical illness are एक ही सिक्के के दो पहलू है. सो दोनों आपको खरीदना है तो आपकी कितनी इनकम है, आपके ऊपर कितने डिपेंडेंट है, उसके हिसाब से आपको क्रिटिकल इलनेस की अमाउंट डिसाइड होगी. और जहां तक सवाल आपकी हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस का है, मेडी जैसे जिसको जनरली पॉपुलरली मेडिक्लेम बोलते हैं, बिकॉज दिस इज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट कंपनी. सो if you want to buy health insurance, the most important thing is the place where you are staying. If in case you are staying in metropolitan cities, the cost of medical treatment is relatively higher than a small town. In addition to the place, your status and your financial position is also important. A chartered accountant who is living or staying in a tower will not go in a medical hospital for treatment, whereas a maid may probably prefer going there. So all these factors have to be taken into consideration while arriving at the amount of insurance which you need.